Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe, Smokin Joe's Fit Barbecue. On today's video, I'm making some hatch green chili pulled pork enchiladas, so stay tuned. Alright, so let's go over the ingredients here. I obviously have some hatch green chili. This is their big gem chili. Some of this is pretty hot, some of it is not at all. I've got a medium-sized onion, I've got 4 tomatillos. I've got also some of this triple X green chili from Hatch. This stuff is really hot. So I'm only going to add maybe 5 or 6 of these into the mix, into the sauce. I've got some Munster cheese, which is a must for enchiladas. Whether it's green chicken enchiladas, Munster cheese is the way to go. And I've got a bunch of leftover pulled pork that we're going to make these enchiladas out of. I obviously have some salt, some pepper, and some granulated garlic as well. So I'm going to go ahead and boil the onion and the tomatillos, and I'll be back in about 10 minutes. Well, for you guys, it's like 30 seconds. Stay tuned. All right, so I've got about 20 of the big gem green chilies in the blender, and I put 6 of the triple X in here. And again, that's just for added spice. And I've got the tomatillos and the onions boiled up. Only took about maybe 15-20 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in the blender. Just like that. And this water is extremely hot, and that's what you want, because I'm going to use this water. And I added a little bit of salt, just like that. A couple more pieces of onion in here. There we go. So at this point, I'm going to add a little bit of salt, just a couple of pinches of salt, just like that. Add some garlic, about half a tablespoon, and a little bit of black pepper. Just like that. All right, so I can tell that I need some water for this, so I'm going to use the same hot water, just like that. I'm going to go ahead and cover this. I'm going to blend this up, and I'll be right back. Stay tuned. Okay, so my sauce is blended completely. Let's give this a taste. Mix it up here. And it smells amazing. I know this is going to be good. Okay, it needs a little bit more salt, but other than that, this is absolutely perfect. Just a little bit more salt. I'm going to go ahead and blend this, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to fry up the corn tortillas for the enchiladas. So stay tuned. All right, so I've got my pan here with a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to drop my corn tortilla in here. And we're going to lightly fry them, probably for 10 seconds, if that. And the reason you do this is because when you roll your enchilada, that way the tortilla doesn't crack on you or break on you. So just lightly fried. That's it. Okay. Do another one for you guys. Maybe 10 seconds. Okay. Again, just a lightly fried corn tortilla. Just like that. All right, let's roll these babies up. Stay tuned. All right, so let's roll these enchiladas here. So got my corn tortilla here. Get some of this pulled pork. Good smoky flavor. Again, I smoked this on my Yoder YS640 pellet smoker. Put enough on there, just like that. Give it a nice tight roll. And see how the corn tortilla doesn't break or anything? That's because we lightly fried it. Let me show you a little trick here. So here's the pan that I'm going to use. I'm going to put some sauce, just a little bit, just like that on the bottom. Okay. Go ahead and mix that around. There you go. Perfect. And at this point, just start laying your enchiladas onto the pan. Let me roll one more for you guys. Put enough of this pulled pork in there too. Just like that. Give it a nice tight roll. Perfect. I'm going to go ahead and roll the rest of these, and I'll bring you guys back. So stay tuned. All right, so I've got my enchiladas rolled up, and the next step is to go ahead and put some of the hatch green chili sauce all over the top of these, just like this. And I tasted this sauce, and it's nice and spicy. Not too terribly hot, but it's nice and spicy. Just the way I like it. Okay. Cover these two right here. Okay. That is perfect. Next step is get your muenster cheese, your shredded muenster cheese. Just pour it all over the top so they're nice and cheesy. I've got my oven set at 350 degrees. And I'm going to put them in there for probably 10-15 minutes or until the cheese is completely melted. There we go. Make sure we get enough cheese in there. All right, I'm going to pop these in the oven, and we'll see you guys in about 15 minutes. Or for you guys, it's 2 seconds. Stay tuned. All right, so before I give these enchiladas a taste, the extra sauce, I put in some mason jars, and you can freeze this. Just make sure that you leave a little bit of space. Only fill your mason jar up to the neck right here, because these will expand in the freezer. That way the glass doesn't pop on you. So I've got 3 extra jars for another day if I want to make this again. So let me cut into this hatch green chili pulled pork enchiladas right here. Get some of that cheese in there. Oh yeah, here we go. I'm probably gonna burn my mouth, but it's okay. Cheers. Oh. Wow. Absolutely wow. You know, with the pulled pork in the enchilada, the sauce isn't as hot, and the cheese, so good. That pulled pork, good smoky flavor, paired with the hatch green chili, a little bit of spice, that creamy cheese, absolutely amazing. Hope you guys like this video. I don't do a whole lot of in the kitchen videos, but this is probably my second or third video that I've ever done in the kitchen. Hope you like this. Thanks for watching. Till next time, Joe with Smokin Joe's Barbecue. See ya.